If you're spending over 20 minutes warming up your voice, stop. Research shows most singers, even those of us over 50, get every benefit in as little as 5 minutes. Let's prove it right now. You'll need a straw and some water. I like the Dr. Vox. And you'll also need a quiet space where you can make gentle sounds. There's no guessing, just follow me minute by minute. Minute 1, we're going to do lip bubbles and tongue trills. These are semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, SOVTs, and they raise the pressure above your vocal cords. It actually means your cords can vibrate more easily with less effort. We'll do gentle lip bubbles for 30 seconds, gliding up and down like this. And then we'll do the same thing on tongue trills for 30 seconds. There's no extra push on the high notes. Go a little higher. Those work fantastic. Now, if you struggle to do lip bubbles or tongue trills, not everyone can do them. Don't panic. Just start with the next section. Minute 2, we're going to do straw glides in water. This is going to add even more back pressure. It's going to boost the efficiency of your vocal cord contact. You're going to get stronger sound waves with less work and better resonance as well. Put the straw in water deep enough to feel gentle resistance. And you're going to slide from your low register to the middle of your range 3 times. Ooh, through the straw. I'll lean in so the mic can pick it up. Do it slowly. Then we're going to siren smoothly all the way to our highest comfortable note. Each time, if you're relaxed and you're not straining, try going a little higher. And watch the bubbles. Steady bubbles mean balanced airflow. We don't want a sudden surge or for the bubbles to die out. It's nice and steady. Minute 3, we're going to do light falsetto sustains. The falsetto tones are going to activate the edges of our vocal cords without pressure, without pushing. This is perfect for aging voices because we can start to sound airy or weak. We're going to sing a soft foo, and we're going to hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, 4 to 5 reps. Foo. If it gets breathy, foo, get softer until it's pure and steady. Foo. Don't add air, just let the sound bloom. Foo. And then you can take it a little higher. However is comfortable. Minute 4, low dopey glides. We're going to train our nervous system to stay relaxed as the pitch rises so that the throat doesn't want to tense up and follow the pitch. So we're going to use a dopey sound like Patrick from SpongeBob. Hey, SpongeBob. You'll feel your larynx drop. And we're going to say, hey, woo, gee. Just keep that sound really dopey. And then you can do a scale up into your higher register. We just want to keep it really dopey and keep it feeling nice and loose. Then switch to a bratty sounding nay or key for brighter, efficient chord closure. It's also your twang power, which is going to give you clarity and ring. I'll use the same scale and say, you can make the funny face. It's not squeezed. It's just really bright and clear. Now let's start moving into more finished natural sounds. I want you to sit up nice and tall. We'll take in a nice breath and go from a hiss to counting 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let that breath flow as you count. And then we can do it on a scale in your nice, comfortable register. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Just talking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now, sing a little bit of a song, something easy. No more talk of darkness. Start to feel that voice flow. Speak it. No more talk of darkness, whatever your song is. No more talk of darkness. No more talk of darkness. I feel my voice starting to come to life. Now, to finish off, we're going to do some glides bottom to top. Again. And then the other way, top to bottom. There you go. Notice what your voice feels like now. That's it. 5 minutes. You've exercised breath flow, vocal fold vibration, resonance, and registration. Use this before practice or performance, and you'll warm up faster, sing longer, and sound better. And if you want more exercises to strengthen and refresh your voice, you can get a free PDF download of my best-selling book, The Mature Singer's Guidebook. The link is below. And if you are dealing with one of the biggest problems older singers have, excess mucus and phlegm, well, I've got a video on that for you as well. Just click on it and we will talk soon. Take care.